I don't understand why it didn't launch.
Me neither. Evil Nazi scientists did it 50 years ago. How hard could it be?
Can I help you?
Sorry to bother you, ma'am. FBI. We're looking for a Sheldon Lee Cooper.
George?
I'm on the can.
Now?
What?
These gentlemen are with the FBI. They want to talk to Sheldon.
What? You fellas must have made a mistake. Sheldon's 9.
Well, someone living at this address recently called a mining operation in Canada and tried to buy uranium.
Okay, maybe it's not a mistake.
It's ridiculous. Let's just go talk to him.
He's just a little itty-bitty thing.
He's harmless. He's in the garage.